DCD offers an overlash assembly for both the Falcon and Eagle lashers. And the overlash assembly is used when you already have a cable installed and you can't access the strand to use your strand lock. It also provides guidance with additional rollers on the side, so in case you're pulling to the side a little bit, it'll guide the lasher on the strand. So there's a couple different options with the overlash assembly. There's a upper and lower set of holes to position the overlash assembly higher or lower on the lasher. And there's also two sets of holes for the rollers so that you can set them further apart or closer in. The setup for the Falcon, typically we'll leave it on the outside and we'll set it on the lower holes so that it sits higher on the lasher. So to install that, you need to remove the bumper plate first. That's using the 1/8 Allen key that's included with the set. Once you remove that, you'll see a set of holes that can be used for the overlash assembly. So if you position that over the holes and install the bolts that are provided, and you can use the 3/16 Allen key that's provided. And tighten that down into place.